Hello and welcome to Top Tech News Today. Here's your daily dose of latest tech news from around the world. Character.AI adds a Parental Insights feature that lets teens send reports of their chatbot usage to their parents, including which bots they are talking to. Block lays off 931 employees, approximately 8% of staff, and moves 193 managers to individual contributor roles in a second reorganization in just over a year. NY-based Silna, which provides healthcare revenue cycle management software, emerges from stealth with a $22 million Series A co-led by Accel and Bain and a $5 million seed. GameStop says its board has unanimously approved a plan to buy Bitcoin with its corporate cash, and it hasn't set a ceiling on how much Bitcoin it may purchase. Wearables says it agreed to settle a U.S. SEC civil lawsuit over the alleged sale of unregistered securities and pay just $50 million of a previously imposed $125 million fine. An internal NSA memo from February warned staff of a Signal vulnerability. Signal says it was a phishing warning and had nothing to do with Signal's core tech. Next.AI launches with $110 million in seed and Series A funding, led by Lightspeed Ventures, offering hardware and software for cloud AI infrastructure. OpenAI announces native GPT-4o image generation, rolling out to all ChatGPT tiers, including free, and says it's a step change above previous models. Meta rolls out a pilot program on Instagram designed to let U.S. schools flag any potentially rule-violating post or account for prioritized review. Apple announces WWDC 2025 for June 9th to 13th, which will be an entirely online event free for developers, with an in-person special event at Apple Park on June 9th. Google debuts the Gemini 2.5 thinking models, starting with Gemini 2.5 Pro Experimental, which it says leads in some benchmarks for Gemini Advanced users. Google releases TX Gemma, a collection of open models built on Gemma that are designed to improve the efficiency of therapeutic drug development. Quora's Poe launches a cheaper $5 per month premium tier, alongside a new $250 per month plan that it says is better for more expensive models like GPT 4.5 and O1 Pro. As TikTok faces a U.S. ban on April 5th, the ByteDance-owned app has a new ad campaign framing TikTok as a savior of Americans and a champion of small businesses. Trump's World Liberty Financial unveils $1, a 1-to-1 USD-pegged stablecoin on Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain, with BitGo as custodian. Its launch date is to be announced. India's finance minister says the country will scrap a 6% tax on digital advertisements, easing costs for U.S. tech giants as a way of soothing U.S. trade concerns. Since DeepSeek R1's debut, Chinese companies like Baidu, DeepSeek, Tencent, Ant, and Alibaba have been flooding the market with low-cost AI services and models. AI startup Synthesia says it's creating a $1 million stock pool to pay actors with equity for the use of their likeness, a first for the AI industry. Waymo plans to launch its Waymo One ride-hailing service in Washington, D.C. in 2026. The city currently prohibits autonomous vehicles without safety drivers. Companies like NVIDIA and many governments are trying to persuade Trump to loosen AI chip export curbs set for May, known as the AI diffusion rule. India orders Samsung and its executives in the country to pay $601 million in back taxes and penalties for dodging tariffs on key telecoms equipment imports. Binance suspends an employee for allegedly using insider information to sell tokens for significant profits. Ex-users suggest the project was the memecoin U. Investors see opportunities in Malaysian tech stocks amid a shift to cheaper AI models like DeepSeek, as the country's chip sector faces U.S. export rules. Alibaba releases Qwen 2.5-5L-32B, a 32B open model under Apache 2.0, claiming better math reasoning and alignment with human preferences than earlier 2.5 models. That was all for today. Thanks for watching, and we shall be back tomorrow. Please subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get updates about our latest videos and daily tech news. Thanks again for watching.